Today I'm going to show you how to use helix command in making patterns. First I need a circle for the helix base and its radius. So it's gonna be 70. Okay, now you go to insert and curve tab. Here's your helix and spiral command, but there's a much simpler way to just simply search it in search bar. After you tapped on it, you simply tap on the circle here. You get some options here, and spiral tab is for 2D design, zero revolution, your pitch, starting angle. You can go pitch and revolution. You can go height and revolution. Okay, my height will be 90, and I want 1 revolution, and my starting angle will be 0. I can define the clockwise and counterclockwise tab here. So I want to make a pattern here, so I'm going to use a taper helix and taper it for like 5 degrees. Now you go to 3D sketch and make a point on the tip here. And then I can go to the right plane. Now remember, when I choose the starting angle to 0, the tip of my spiral will be on the right plane here. Okay, now I'm gonna draw a base former pattern. Can draw anything. I'm going to use this. I think 4 is enough. Now I go to sort by space. I'm gonna use mirror command here. I can see our pattern is starting to shape up. Okay, now we go to circle pattern, and if I tap on features and faces, you have 2 features because one of the features is the mirror one. I don't need it, so I tap on bodies and simply click on body. Direction will be this center line I drew the first of the video. And you fill it up. Okay, now we need to fill these gaps between the pattern. So I'm gonna use my section view here. Find the plane. Now you need to revolve it. First you need an axis. Now we can revolve it. Now for the handle, I'm going to need some planes. One here. And another one from top plane. Okay, now I'm gonna use a 3D sketch to guide my loft base here. So connect these points together first. Make the shape you want. Another one. Now once you're in a 3D sketch, you can mirror your entities. For example, I'm going to mirror this spline here. I go to lofted. Select your guidelines. Gonna need another sketch, so just convert this entity. Now you have your 4 points for guidelines. Okay. Make them tangents. Could also use a boundary, but I wanted to show you how to do multiple lofts for creating shapes like this. Okay, we need to delete these two here and gonna need another section view. Choose this sketch and convert entities. I need to expand it to cover the unwanted parts. I'm gonna use a revolve cut.